Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet jewelry basket. This basket is perfect for storing your rings, earring, bracelet, hair accessories and other small items while keeping your space neat and organized. So the crochet hook that I am using is 4.5 mm, and we will start by making a magic ring. Wrap yarn around your two fingers and make a cross like this. Now insert your hook, pull up a loop and chain one. So this is our magic ring and we will work into this ring. So yarn over your hook. Now insert your hook into the magic ring and pull a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2. Yarn over, pull through last 2. So this is our double crochet stitch, and once again we will make one double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Like this we will work 12 double crochet into magic ring. And after 12th double crochet, pull the tail to close the magic ring. And now join with the slip stitch where we did our first double crochet right here. So insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull through this loop and then chain 1. So our round 1 with 12 double crochet is complete. Now we will work on our second round. Add one more chain. Now into next stitch work one double crochet. This chain 2 will be counted as our first double crochet. This is our second double crochet, and then now we will work 2 double crochet in each of the stitch. So like this, complete the row, and in the end you should have 24 double crochets. Let's complete round 2. After last double crochet, work one slip stitch into chain 2 and then chain 1. So our round 2 with 24 double crochet is complete. Now add one more chain. Now into next stitch work 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet, then again 2 double crochet, and again 1 double crochet. So like this, complete round 3 with 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet. And now make a slip stitch into our chain 2, and the base of the basket is complete with our round 3. And if you want to make the bigger size, you can add one more row, but I want medium size basket. And now add 2 chains, 1 and 2, and from this side we will work on the edges. So we will work only into the back loops. You can see this V, we will work right here into the back loops only. So after chain 2 we will work 1 double crochet into the back loop of each of the stitch. So let's complete 1 double crochet in the back loop of each of the stitch. And like this right here, join with a slip stitch where we did our chain 2, insert your hook, pull up a loop and slip stitch. Now chain 2, and into each of the stitch we will work 1 double crochet till the end. And then again join with a slip stitch and complete the row. Our 6th row is complete. Join with the slip stitch and chain 1, make a long loop, then cut off the yarn. So our base of the basket is complete. Now we will just add the pink edges and a flower, and this is the base. So now let's add finishing touch. Insert your hook in any of the stitch and then pull a loop of the pink yarn. Make sure you are securing the end and then add chain 2, 1, 2. Now work 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Then again chain 2 and 1 slip stitch. So like this, complete the row. And our pink row is complete. Now let's add 1 slip stitch and complete the row. Then chain one, make a long loop and cut off the yarn and hide the tails, and then attach a flower, and that's it. Our crochet jewelry basket is now complete. This basket is simple, practical, and a great way to organize your jewelry or small accessories. You can also customize it with different color, decorative edges, beads, bows, or anything. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the new project. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.